Feeling like your apps are constantly fighting for your attention, turning your workday into a digital circus? Well, get ready to tame that chaos because today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Zapier, the ultimate automation sidekick that connects all your favorite apps and services. First things first, what exactly is Zapier? Think of Zapier as a translator between all your different online tools. It's a web-based service that lets you create automated workflows, called zaps, to seamlessly transfer information between the apps you use every day. Imagine this: instead of manually copying information from a new Gmail lead into a Google Sheet, then posting about it in Slack, Zapier can do it all for you. Automatically, these connections work with thousands of different tabs. We're talking Google Workspace, social media platforms, CRM tools, e-commerce solutions, practically anything with an API. Now, how does it actually work? Let's say you want to save every new email attachment you receive in Gmail directly to a specific folder in Google Drive. You set up a Zap with Gmail as the trigger, meaning the event that starts the automation, and Google Drive as the action, the task you want Zapier to perform. The best part is, it's super easy to use. Zapier's intuitive interface allows you to build these automations with no coding required. You simply select your apps, choose your triggers and actions, and Zapier handles the rest. Zapier is about more than just connecting apps. It's about boosting your productivity and freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters. Explore Zapier and discover all the ways it can streamline your workflow.